A dashboard is a great way to consume data across broad subject areas or specific heavily filtered conversations. It'll load up several report widgets looking at varying aspects of activity levels, message content, and who is participating. Now, these are all saved dashboards, but creating a new one is quick and easy. I'll just select Search Datasets and let the system know what I want to look at. In this case, I'm going to choose hashtag BCSM, breast cancer social media. It'll want to look at the last 7 days. I could put in custom date ranges here if I wanted to, but I'll leave it at the last 7 and choose Run. From there, it'll open up those report widgets I was referring to. And we have quantitative analytics, engagement by stakeholder group, day by day, network analysis, influencer report, content analysis, a look at top retweets and conversation threads, sentiment of the conversation, trending articles, links that were being shared in the conversation, and visuals being shared. Now, if I like this dashboard and I choose to save it, I can just select my settings and give it a name, BCSM. I'll choose Save, and that's all there is to it. If I come back to my Home button, here's the newly created dashboard for BCSM. Now, over time, you may have many saved dashboards and you want to keep them organized. And you can. You can move them around on the screen to keep them in a specific order to your liking. Or you can see I've created tabs where I have many different common subject matters all clustered together. I can create new tabs, picking the plus sign and creating one here for tweet chats. And there it is. Take this and move it on to that new tab. There's our BCSM. If I click on it, open it back up, and take another look. Dashboards. Convenient, easy, and powerful.